Hey guys, welcome back to my trading channel. In this video, I'm standing here because I'm super excited to present you one of the plans that I've been working for quite some time, and that is called YouTube membership plans. Yes, you guys are waiting for it. You guys are asking for it, and I've been working on it for quite some time, and finally I'm out with three type plans for YouTube membership which primarily focused on crypto trading and of course knowledge related to crypto. If you are a beginner or an expert or a pro in trading, well, these plans will help you get started in the right direction if you want to be consistent and make profitable journey in the crypto industry. Now again, I have divided the plan into three tiers: silver, gold, and platinum. Each tier will have its own set of benefits, with platinum being the highest and the premium feature that you will receive in the membership plan. So without further delay, let's jump right in. Let's talk about the membership. And if you have any question in it, well, I'm here to answer you. You can comment below, let me know, or ping me on Telegram, DM me on Telegram. I'm there available answering to your questions. And let's make this journey a profitable, successful journey in crypto trading, keeping the end goal in mind, and that is financial freedom and knowledge and giving. So let's get started. Let's talk about the YouTube memberships. So this is my channel, which is Kotoch X Crypto Trading. You can see here the join button. Now this join button will also be available on my main channel, which is this Kotoch X Crypto. Now talking about the join button, once you click here, you will see the three types of membership: silver, gold, platinum, each offering a unique value and features to the members. Now again, when you start with silver, it is for those who are entering into the crypto journey. They are beginner, they don't know where they are going, and silver membership will help them get started. I will explain the feature just in a moment. Same goes with gold. When you join the gold, you will get all the benefit of being a silver member. Plus, you also get a benefit of being a gold member. For example, you will get started with trading lesson. You will learn the basics of trading and of course how to be profitable while trading crypto in a step-by-step manner, plus add-on feature. When we talk about platinum, platinum is for the pro user, those who know how to trade but they want to learn more about trading so they can be profitable consistently. Of course, this membership is quite exclusive and include all the features of silver and gold with some unique feature of platinum members, which I will explain shortly. So let me just directly go to the membership plan, which is right over here. And here I have segregated each membership along with the feature. Let me take you through one by one so that you can understand it better. So look at here. We start with weekly market watch. This is for those who want to get started with trading and they want to know what is going on in the market on a weekly basis. This is included in silver, gold, and platinum. Similarly, there will be private trading group. In silver, we have a broadcasting channel. So once you join it, for example, let's say I join platinum. So once I joined here, this is how it looks like. I go to membership. So membership tab will be opened, and here you can see all the perks. When I click on priority silver membership, which is also part of silver, you can see the link right over here. This link can be used to join the silver broadcast channel only for the silver membership holder. Similarly, you have other groups for gold and also for platinum. Now let's go back and talk about emoji badges will be there. Invitation to the webinars will be there, in which we learn on a monthly basis a special topic that is chosen for you for basics and also for the advanced, how to get started into trading and how to make money fast while being learning on the sidelines. Now again, when we go down here, these are the features offered to silver, the one on tick marks, the one on tick are offered to gold here, and one on tick are offered to the platinum. You can see clearly the platinum is having all the features of the membership that I'm offering. So clearly platinum is going to be a premium segment because it requires me a lot of effort to put in to make you guys consistent and profitable while discussing and doing mentorship alongside. Now again, look at here. Daily, weekly setups will be there. It will be offered to gold and platinum. Then we go to priority response on Telegram, of course. Then we have shorts, advanced trading lessons. By the way, the trading lessons basics will be covered in the gold. It will be part of the gold membership. So if you want to start with trading lessons, well, you should opt for gold. And if you want to include the pro version of the lessons, which means the advanced version of the lesson that can make you profitable on the day trading or swing trading, well, then you should go for platinum. keeping in mind that you have your basic cleared. Again, go down here. We have live trading session. That is a special feature offered only to the platinum members, which means we are going to do a live trading in front of the screen in the real time and see how the trade goes and what can be learned from them. Plus, there will be a reward feature. There will be dollar rewards, USDT rewards that will reserve for platinum, and likewise. And also talking about the membership, there will be a special community based upon your category, based upon your level, silver, gold, or platinum. Like I said, silver member will receive a special broadcast telegram group. They will be part of it, and every update will be shared with them on a daily basis. Gold members, on the other hand, will be part of a telegram group for one-to-one communication, while platinum will have all the feature including a special platinum x community access, which is also part of the Twitter program. So these are all the features you can take a look at, and if you have any question, comment below. Let me know which plan you want to join. Well, let me just brief it quickly for you. Silver is for those who want to be stay in touch with the market. They want to have the weekly updates and they want to start their journey into crypto trading in the right direction. Gold is for those who are already in crypto industry and they want to get ahead from the current position to the next level, starting with trading lessons, trading, learning, earning money from crypto, and likewise. And we talk about platinum. Platinum covers all of it, which means it doesn't matter if you're a beginner, advanced, or pro. Platinum members will have it all. They will have all the membership, they will have all the communities access, and of course, they will have the premium access to the premium setups and of course the premium calls that I will share with them on a weekly or a daily basis. Remember, I gave you Peanut, I gave you Hippo, and I also gave you some of the most important tokens when no one was talking about it. Platinum members will receive them all in the first go. So that's about the membership. And with that, you should click the join button and join it right away. The link is shared below, and make sure to drop your question in the comment section or DM me on Telegram, and I will be there supporting you. Let's make trading a profitable journey throughout. With that, I complete my video. Let's meet in the membership plan and let's get started.